today we will set up the Xiaomi Home Security Camera 2K version 360 viewing angle. So let's start. So first we unbox things first kung anong kasama sa package niya. So of course we have the camera itself. So this is the camera. Itsura niyan. Observe that meron siyang bilog na yellow sa kanyang marang mata. Ito yung indication na siya ay yung 2K version. Okay? So kasama niya ay yung pang mount sa ceiling, and then manual, and then keyboard. Since this is the global version, wala siyang kasamang adapter, kaya we need to have some adapter para i-connect siya. Para i-connect siya sa outlet, pero if ever yung outlet nyo is may USB siya, pwede nang wala ng adapter. So since wala tayong adapter kasama, so that's why we have an extra here. So, okay, let's start. Mapansin nyo, may yellow siya, indicating may power na. And let's wait lang mag-initialize.
Please use the mobile phone scan the QR code on the board labeled and the configuration interface. Waiting for connection.
Right. So, once nagsalita na siya, let's open her up para to proceed. Okay, once we're here in the app, let's go to the Xiaomi application. So, sa previous video, nakapag-register na tayo. And then, ito na yung bagong registration natin. Wala pa siyang device. So, let's try to add one. Go to add. And then, ito yung pinakamadaling feature niya ngayon is yung scan.
Waiting for connection.
When you tap the scan, you just need to tap the scan, the QR code. Dito natin QR code underneath the camera. So, nandito siya. Ayan, scan. So, scan lang natin yan. Then, follow the instruction on the screen. So, since bago itong camera natin, bagong setup, we just, kahit na hindi na natin muna i-reset. So, confirmation. Next. And then, please take note na dapat naka-connect ka sa Wi-Fi na during this time. And please make sure, since yung mga camera natin na to ay supported pa lang ng 2.4 GHz. So make sure dito ka sa 2.4 GHz na Wi-Fi ka connect. Okay? And then when you're here, search mo lang yung Wi-Fi mo. Ayan. So nalagay ko na yung password ng Wi-Fi ko, and then next lang. Then, yan. Switch ka dun sa camera na sa settings. Then, may kita mo yung camera nandyan na may kita mo na siya supposedly dapat dito sa Wi-Fi selection. And then, sabi ng app, connect to their camera. So, switch ka lang.
Waiting for connection.
Hindi natin siya nakita. Try scan ulit. Yan. Switch tayo dyan. And then, once connected na siya, go back to app and it will start connecting.
Please wait.
Okay. Please take note that yung ilaw nung camera, it's blinking yellow na.
Wait a minute!
Connection to Wi-Fi completed. Pairing check found completed. Device online.
Okay. So, connected na siya. And then, try natin, select mo lang kung saan siyang room or location nilalagay. So, let's start, select living room. And then, you have the option here to change the name of the device. So, for now, let's just select the default. And then, let's start. Okay. So, here's the device na. Suppose hindi dapat magamit na siya. Hanap tayong ibang location where we can test or see the environment. Okay? Lipat natin yung camera. Okay, so ayan. Nalipat na natin yung camera. So, let's try. Here's its view. Meron kang mga several options here. To rotate, ito, tap nyo lang yan. Rotate. Ayan siya. Then, up, down, left, right. Ayan yung gano'n siya kalinaw. You have the option here to put it on landscape. Then, other options here, you can browse it through na lang. Then, image settings, kung gusto nyo pabaliktad, you can go here, rotate image, rotate. So, you can rotate that. And then, here. So, firmware update, from time to time, lalabas ng ganito siya. You can update this. Make sure lang na hindi siya mawala ng power during nag-update kasi possible magkaroon ka ng problem sa firmware niya. So, let's start upgrade now. Ganito lang mangyayari dyan.
Please keep network connection and device in charge during software update.
Once upgraded na siya, babalik ulit yung kulay niya into steady blue. Let's try to turn off the light para makita natin ang itsura niya in a total dark scenario. Okay? Now one. So, turn off the light. Totally madilim na talaga siya, and look at the camera. Sobrang linaw na ito. Okay? So, let's try to test the outway. Two-way. Hello! Nakakarinig tayo ng mga sobrang tahimik kasi dito sa room kaya wala masyadong. Pero we'll try to talk in the camera. Hello? Hello? Ayan. Hello? Ayan. Yung feedback kasi malapit lang sa akin. Okay? So, on ko muna yung camera yung ilaw ulit. Okay, may ilaw na ulit. And then other features, mabilis lang. So with regards to SD card, punta kayo dito sa settings, manage storage, SD card status. So kung lalagay nyo siya, nandito siya nakalagay sa ilalim. Dito nyo isasalpak yung SD card. Okay? Once naka-insert na siya, dito mo mag-check yung recording. Since wala tayong SD card naka-insert, may mga features yan nandito for allow only recording when motion is detected, and pwede rin na record all the time. So, yun ang option. To save space, so set nyo na lang to record only when motion is detected. Okay? That's all guys. Ganun lang siya kadali i-set up. And you can do it by yourself kahit na walang installer. And madali lang siya. Thank you!